Did you know that businesses all around the world are hiring people just like you to help manage their social media accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube? All you need is a few spare hours per week, a computer with an internet connection and a good knowledge of how to use Facebook, Twitter or YouTube. If you want to earn $100, $200 or even up to $500 a day, and like spending time on Facebook and Twitter, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. As you know, businesses of all sizes right from McDonald's and Coca-Cola down to your local hardware store are trying to get a presence on social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter. Think of how many fan pages and advertisements you have seen on Facebook recently for businesses in your local area. It's a big thing right now and it's making people just like you a lot of money. You see, whilst all of these businesses want to get a presence on social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter, they don't have the time, ability or knowledge to do it themselves. They are far too busy with the day-to-day running of their business and they don't want to hire someone full-time to do it because in most circumstances it only takes 1 to 2 hours per day to manage. So what do you think they are doing about it? They are hiring people just like you to do it for them. They are paying people just like you great money to work from home doing simple tasks such as creating their Facebook fan page, posting status updates and comments, creating Twitter profiles, tweeting special offers and promotions, engaging with their customers through comments and posts, spending time messing around on Facebook and Twitter. Drag_indicator. We are currently hiring people just like you for positions like these all over the world, so please come over and check out the positions we currently have available. Add_circle. Click on the link in the description to get started. We are currently hiring people just like you for positions like these all over the world, so please come over and check out the positions we currently have available.